Hello everyone, welcome to the Guru app. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to sign in and explore the new Guru app. First, install the app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and you will see the home screen. To create your account, tap on a sign up button. Enter your personal details to register. Then tap confirm to complete your registration. After that, you will receive an OTP in your email. Enter it to verify and confirm your account. After signing in, the home screen will appear. At the top left corner, you will see two options for the interface. One is the default option, which is already displayed on the home screen, and the other is the simple option designed for your ease of use. If you click on a bead icon, you will see two types of counts. One for prayer and one for prostration. You can select either of them. If you want to recite prayers, select the prayer count, and if you want to perform prostration, select prostration count. Tap on recite prayer to begin. At the bottom, you will see three tabs. The first tab on the bottom left is for the digital chant. Swipe down after each chant to add your count. The tab on the bottom right is for voice chant, where your voice will be recorded as you chant. The middle tab is for the chime. Please note that this feature requires your phone to support NFC. Next, click on Events. Here you can walk in to a public event or host a private event. For private events, simply enter the event code provided by the admin. Under National Events, stay informed about upcoming festivals, national events and special days all in one place. And to make your experience more enjoyable, we have introduced the Bazaar game. It's a unique way to combine spirituality with gamification. Chant your digital chime, earn rewards as you chant, complete missions and stay motivated throughout your engaging spiritual journey. The Guru app, where prayers meet purpose.